I know many of you guys are asking me this question, why am I not posting a lot of videos these days? You can see this. It has been raining a lot in my city. This is currently 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and you can see it already looks like it's evening because it's very cloudy. It has been raining. Don't get much time to spend with succulents because they are usually covered with plastic because of the constant rains. But in today's video I wanted to share about a topic that was asked by one of the subscriber. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener, and I'm extremely sorry because somebody had asked me a question on how I tend to water the rain gutter. Now of course I cannot water it completely because it has been raining, so this was kind of covered in the plastic sheet. That's why the soil is a little bit dry, so I'll be going ahead and watering it. Now as you'll all know, I tend to use these watering bottles that I have, which has a very small little nozzle in the front. I've made a hole, and with which I am able to water it very slowly in between the succulents. Now because I'm holding the camera in one hand, it's a little difficult to water with one hand, but ideally this is how I tend to water it, carefully without dropping any water on the leaves. Now at times the water might fall on the succulent, so what I do is I take the succulent blower and blow off the water droplets that are present on the succulent. So this is how I tend to water it. I'm not going to be watering anymore. It might rain soon, so I just want to be on the safer side by not adding too much of water. So this is how I tend to water my rain gutter. This is another haworthia that has decided to bloom. Now of course most of these succulents are looking a little bit beaten up because I had recently made the changes to this rain gutter and had moved the succulents over here. This was a new place, so they are taking a little bit of time to adapt. Apart from that, I have to put up the plastic sheet every now and then when it starts to rain. And when the rains go off, I have to take out the plastic sheet. So it definitely disturbs these succulents a lot, but that's the best that I can do in a tropical environment. And these rains are going to last until November. So until then, I have to be extremely careful. Even a little bit of excess moisture, or if the soil tends to get wet because of the rain and stays moist for a longer period of time, there is definitely going to be rot on these succulents. So I have to be extremely careful. So this is all about it. I will show you another arrangement as well. And this was the same pot that was damaged by the pigeons. This was the Graptosedum California Sunset. I still have these stems in the soil. I was not feeling like taking them out, so they're still present in the soil. They're completely dried out. This is my Haworthia Florence Lowy. They have again damaged some of the leaves, and these were the rest of them that are just hanging in. I haven't taken anything out from this pot. I've just left it on its own. So far it's doing okay. This one was also damaged by the pigeons. You can see the stem is starting to dry out. I'll probably have to do a cutting, but I'm just waiting because today again the climate is very cloudy and it might happen to rain, and I don't want to do any cutting when it starts to rain, so I'm just holding back onto it. Once the forecast says that it's not going to be raining, I will probably do a chop on it. This one is my variegated lemon lime. It has lost the color, but that's absolutely fine. So that's about it guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.